versus what you call it? Economic empowerment.
Economic empowerment programs.
Okay. I'm trying to get a definition and maybe into more. What's the idea in the with? Before when we go to the whole issue about
the idea economic empowerment charity in the year 2018, 2019. Na litu charity economic empowerment.
2018, 2019.
Yes.
Okay.
Nunyorete William Ruto kakotebanga mangana hustlers, mama mboga nindi ya charity. Ndi charity Nyakundi.
Okay.
That is when the economic empowerment charity. Ditokote bya abantu nga bottom up economic transformation agenda.
Yes.
Nga better.
Yes.
Nga tokoja kurusia abantu kurunza to bayirigo. What were we talking about? We were talking about this economic empowerment. We were talking about the Hustler Fund. Okay. We were talking about Nyota, National Youth Opportunity Program, Youth Wachakire. And I want to tell abantu wetu Gusii, there's this program, National Youth Opportunity Program. Ekwena na 50,000 50 to 70 groups ebiyombe 70 kire ward. Nungwede Nyakundi, etokwa ebiyombe 50,000 50 ebiyombe 70 kire ward, the entire country. Ibina biyo mitoa ngote. Ntuwa wateke ndonga kunga kazi mtaani. Bono tuwanye chakiri naende. Tukunyirukunga climate works kazi mtaani. Oko genda gari ese website ya climate works wa apply aba mrabanyo olegasi eriya mtaani yokunya korabi osibya makarabati nini wo simeke mete kidogo like that. Inere empowerment. Tuwatebeti abantu iguru yechigasi empowerment. Chokolika abantu na kiroje tukunya kwagacha na chichiro. Tukunya kwagacha affordable housing.
Fair enough.
Chigasi na chechi umwana omuntu nyako.
Fair enough.
Lede tochigendi sawa. Sawa Nyakundi.
Ase bali bako igumuntu gwekanya murero. Kero watu mekeli etelio. Economic empowerment refers to the process of equipping individuals or communities with the capacity, resources, and opportunities to improve their economic well-being and control their financial situations.
Yes.
Yani nenchera yo kwa abantu chinguru go sevinyoro no kwenyara nenibo namabaga yo gonchero komanya kwabo somenyo bwabo elinde libete nenere asamangana chibesa.
Yes.
So how was that ebononga mbwama te kibwate this definition economic empowerment relationship kia na mangana mwakona nyandro? What is the relationship?
Nyanturago
na mojo kwa Friday.
Nyanturago etuko changa chibesa. Number 1, umuchumbe we area you kusomo women rep ako gendori ye ebiyumbe once kwa ri ebiyumbe into tuwachangira ebiyumbe bichibesa.
So ni chenkorosi ebiyumbe uno majumbe.
Nayo koligi obuno muchumbu koligi ebiyumbe. Yes, because you are the representative of the people.
Very well.
At the end of the day, ego fall out ngaki ingore representative yabantu.
Fair enough.
Kwagenda. How you do it is none of my business.
There is no structure, there is no order.
Nayo koligi ebiyumbe.
So ni interview ndigo gaiga no mungene getena to karanse njuno mujumbo bonchali ndo sibiyumbe bya 40. That is it. You don't care.
Ebiyumbe bire in existence. Not just ebiyumbe. Nebiyumbe bire in existence. Ebiyumbe bibwate certificate. Ebiyumbe bibwate account. Ebiyumbe bire in existence mostly. Once kwa toire ebiyumbe biri. Kwa rigire iria ebuno muchumbe. You've seen ebiyumbe mbiro, and we have people from the ministry walibate nete ebiyumbe in every constituency ndo bata abantu bate nete ebiyumbe. Once kwa confirm ebiyumbe ebi bono watu range wate ba talikigete no ninje coordinator ebintu ebikenyengi
I know that
ninje coordinator ya empowerment the whole of this country tuacha inche wono nali gyabageni aikwali gyabageni bao na inche nali gyabageni ate byoyo noyo tuacha twakonya abantu tuaba chibesa there and then. If chibesa tuachangire is 10 million, we say 8 million. Tuaba ka chibesa jesibio ebiombe byonsipi up. Kiromo ndogenda ni chibesa, walibata yete ko chiko chaka mangane chingoko, bagenda bachaka chingoko. Walibata yete ko kugora chiombe, bagora chiombe. Walibata yete ko kugora chipigipigi, especially abantu kunabantu bechipigipigi, tuaba bagora chipigipigi. That is the economic empowerment we were talking about. Kama nabange bechiro, tuaba chibesa chiabo because abangana bechiro they are normally very organized. Very organized, extremely organized. Abantu bechiro ebiombe bya chichiro na boda they are normally very organized. Kwaba bagenda bamente stock umungi nankali umwe chiru biza ose chiru biko amente stock tumusuke
ganda ko between nyota na kwenye
national youth opportunities program
between nyota yenga yego to kwa ministry ke
nyota is under the Ministry of Trade. I think it's under the Ministry of Trade, something like that. Yes.
Nyota kuru biombe 70 per ward.
70 per ward.
50,000.
Yes.
So between nyota, ekurua biombe 70 per ward. Na economic empowerment is all coordinator. Get effective.
Chance effective in its own way.
No, which one is more effective? Because nyota ne what structure. Nyota will apply. Nyota will vet the biombe. Ekeyana batokolo seke omberero to ka ujiwe asosire.
Chance effective. No sira. Shauri yako. It is you who are spoiling your life. Injengo kwa oe konye. Wono iga Nyakundi. It is your responsibility nero yako bekira. Okoboka saa kumi.
Which is more effective?
Chionzi inchire effective. It depends with how you use your money. Nyanyota bono iga we 50,000 because it is a grant. You apply nini koma na kwa it is a grant. Okay, ndo jutumie bobe. Shauri ya nani? Yangu ama yako.
What is the budget as a coordinator economic empowerment? Budget ya nini annual?
Ntobo ati budget because umaite chibezeji n'umuntu ukurukuru mugukoye.
Okay.
Liringo cha inche. Ninche koranga ki ngakinyarite. If I have 50,000 now. If I have 100 now. If I have 200,000 now. Ntobo ati budget. Specific budget yo kole binte. Neste umuntu akweru. Nende tingangote chibese jine chitu. Injino muntu ngoli umuzara umyasaba. Bono tete wontebi koru 50,000 nensi. Nende talinga ntakemete chibese chilingoli umuzara. Nimbwate biashara bya nimbwate chingoko chiane nimbwate chombe chiane.
Pole. Let's make progress. Gusii mukakora program South Mugirango.
Tukajaga South Mugirango. Tukaenda Nyaribari. Chache. Tukaenda Umachoge Burabu. Umachoge Chache sorry. Muzo ndo tuwalinge Nyaribari Masaba. Tukaenda West Mugirango. One weekend ye Friday ye otole Burabu. Burabu Nyamira. Otole no mondo korokunga Jerusha Momani.
On average, I follow these things. You give an average of 500,000 shillings.
Ingo?
Yeah.
I have never.
Between 200 to 500.
The only place now where the chibesa chinyingi. Mbone na ruete 1 million. Wone na ruete 1 million. Nakini na wone talinga na empowerment yari. Ne kanisa na alinga kuchange.
Yo bado turaje empowerment.
Empowerment bado abantu banengo siko ikamba irere empowerment yo mwalo mito. Ikale je konya bantu bali.
A president is it by designing a such function just more than empowerment? President yakolenda 3 million, deputy yakolenda 2 million. Oh, that is the average.
What's na huwa kwenyara mpaka?
Tanya kwenyara 3.2.
Yeah.
Na
kwenyara umaizi tikakote.
Abege to kwenyara kwa
Nyakundi. Tikakote Nyakundi.
Tianya kumokea usinende.
Okolu gedioko jara. Oje murabote.
So erani
maybe nimbwa chinkoko chiane omutienyi chikonga maybe 9 million. Chibesa ndanyare koru is 3 as 9 million. Nimbwa chiombe chiane maybe chikonga 20 million. Chibesa ndanyare koru sikuru maybe nikumi.
President William Ruto. No, wait. You see, Ntori Awe was a William Nawate factory, a manufacturer, and we don't know. How does it happen that already 5 million, already 3 million Makweni, Urure 3 million Nyanturago. Urure 3 million Nyamira in one day.
Tigango boli Nyakundi.
What is this?
Tigango boli Nyakundi.
In the same way.
Tigango boli Nyakundi. Ayoka the William no Mondo Mota.
Oh.
William no Mondo Mota. For you to vie as president of this country, you must have 20 billion and above. Nachia to me the campaign. You must have 20 billion and above.
Sazwa is about to afford 3 million shillings in 5 functions in a day.
Yes.
How practical is that?
I am telling you, he is not a poor person. Okay, in Chogoja Koboli Chukura, no Mondo Motaka Naling. The Jingo Boli Chukura, no Mondo Motaka Naling. Usina, what they be as Arabia? One of the Jingo and an arrow 50,000 was 100,000. You have never given 50,000. You've given an average of 200,000 shillings. Nyakundi. I give 50,000 was 100,000. No. It's me and being a child. 100. Nyakundi. How much money do you want? It's Nyantura Gogari Ninka and the Doja no one of me, Doja no Musadio, Doja has been very supportive. Nakitutu na West Mugirango. West Mugirango. But even on Navan to Gusii. Kabali mbichibesa chichere to because he got in. So I'm right. Lakini isiko. Bibi was emia. Ende Nyakundi na ko David Marandi. Injino mundo mbwate biasara byane ngokora. Nende no mai teta ninga na jagete biasara mu. Basically what they got bandonga ki politics ya rero ya very commercialized that you have money and you can do other things or complement. Mwana mtoto waka siasa to wa nesa. Mtoto tako ngai. Inga oge ndo chuko kwani abantu no mundu bose. Siasa ko to levels. Nambe state house go find a project here. No. Never. Kiro mundu akuru chibesa chiae chiriye nyarite no oligere nyantura mundu naro wete 50 uyo ndaka rwemi uyo ndaka 30. It is how you are able because yango tokanga 7,000 go fund kanga 20 etokuru the same amount of money kanga 20 etokuru the same amount of money mundu buno zoro nkuruwale 200 ose 300 bune nyarite because na bwatekero na nje nimbwatekero talinga ni nimbwate kero ne nimbwate biasara byane so ebinte no kweru na igura abantu bande ba complain igure empowerment eji na agenda chake yao stop complaining injo kwegwerera bobe I know what is besa the reason why we are complaining abachumba babonse babwate chibesa rigati gashakwa liya nenge deputy president chibesa chia ya abungete chonse akagenda kogore chote lirenga isani worth more than $1 billion each. Let me ask you. Nyakundi ganya na Odebi ganya Nyakundi na Odebi. You are not going to sit here to justify corruption. There is no corruption. There is corruption. I earn a salary. How does a deputy president, how does Japhet Nyakundi earn 700,000 shillings, also 1 million for that matter, donate 50 million in a month? Tigango boli Nyakundi. Oyomo deputy president Yoroche Kindiki. When he was the minister, he used to give more than $1 million. Yeah, and we used to question that. Kindiki, when he was the senator, he used to give more than $1 million. Na kyomonto kwani mushahara 1.2 million, I got donate 100 million no mutieni. These other people, everybody has a side hustle. Which one is this? Muchumbo liyo tabu at the side hustle. To kunyara survive siasa. To kunyara survive siasa. Tigango boli lero. I'll calculate for you. In a month, you know, every week, ngotumia 110,000 asa matanga. Kile week. Igomo tienyi, eru mia ine, 440,000 amatanga. No, wait. And? Listen. Rijinko ende ground. I spent approximately 300 to bribe people. No, to bribe. Tigango tebi. Ngene nkaji. Umuntu uchire. Onte bringa ki. Umoshimi. Nimbwate muruira. Akingoka. Umoshimiwa. Nimbwate mwanone. Oseruwe school. Na kwele basa lakini oseruwe school. Hawato mochangu. Tindu no nyenturu. I have to give. Mheshimiwa Japhet, how much is it kwa haya chope in a day? Nyakundi. The chope is about 300,000 for a whole day. Yeah. So you are able to work with a whole chopper 300,000 a day?
You are able to give 500,000. What is this side hustle? You were 3 of you in that chopper and Yantra. Much at Yantra.
Kwenye tuachile tuwadropira bantu babiri. Ndikawaseka Nyakundi. Kwenye tuwadropira bantu babiri bo mates. Tukamanya wote. We were 7 of us. Nyakundi.
You share the cost.
Yeah, we share the cost.
Egesa from Studio